Hello, today we will solve question maximum subarray, which is given an integer array, find continuous subarray containing at least one number which has the largest sum. So we have to find sum of subarray which has the largest sum. Okay, so let's see example. This is an array, given array. Okay, so we have to find sum of a subarray which maximum sum subarray. Like this is a subarray. If we see the sum is -1. Same if we see some another subarray, so in this case sum will be -4. So like that, if we see, so maximum sum can be found from this point to this point, which will be 4 6. Total sum will be 6. If you try to find another subarray which has more sum, if you try, no, there is no subarray which has more than 6 sum. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's see another example. So we have given array, so maximum sum for any subarray will be 4. So 4 will be our answer. Let's see another example. Suppose array contains only negative number. Okay, so this array contains only negative numbers. So in this case, maximum sum of any subarray will be -1, because -1 is the highest among all the sum. So now let's see approach to solve this question. So I have taken two variable sum and the maximum sum. Okay, so maximum sum is initialized with the first array element, which is -2, and sum is 0, and we'll start iterating through the array and we'll keep on adding one by one element in our sum, and as we find the maximum sum which is greater than the maximum sum, then we'll replace maximum sum with the sum. Means we'll store our answer in maximum sum. Our final answer will be in maximum sum. Okay, so let's see. So -2, we'll add -2 in sum. So sum will be -2. As sum will be less than 0, then we'll change sum with 0 only. Okay, and this case sum is 0, maximum sum is -1. Now let's move to the second element, 1. We'll add 1 in our sum, so our sum will be 1, and maximum sum is was -2. Now it's 1 is greater than -2, so we'll replace -2 with 1. So our answer is till now is 1. Now let's move to next element, -3. We'll add -3, so it will become -2, but -2 is not greater than 1, so we'll not change our answer. And as -2 is less than 0, so we'll replace sum with 0. So now sum is 0. Now let's move to next element. So next element is 4. Our sum is 0, so plus 4 equal to 4. So maximum sum is 1 and 4 is greater than 1, so maximum sum will be 4. Means our answer is 4 till this point. Okay, now let's move. Means maximum sum subarray is 4, means only one element. Now next element, we'll add -1, so our sum will be 3, right? But 3 is smaller, will not do anything. We'll go to next element, so we'll add 2. So total sum will be 5. Okay, total sum will be 5, and 5 is greater than 4, so our answer will be now 4. So I have cleared this. Now sum is 5 and answer is also 5. Now let's move to next element, 1. So we'll add 1 in our sum, and sum will become 6. So maximum sum is 5 only, so we'll replace maximum sum with 6. Okay, now let's move to next element, minus 5. So we'll add minus 5 to our answer. So it will become 1. Okay, it will become 1, but 1 is smaller than 6, so we'll not replace, we will not do anything. And now let's move to another element. So sum is 1 and plus 4. Next element is 4, so it will become 5. It will become 5, but our current answer is 6, so our final answer will become 6. Okay, so this is the approach. We'll keep on adding the number elements one by one in our sum. When sum is less than 0, then just simply change sum to 0 and keep on adding numbers in between. Store maximum sum in our answer. Okay, so let's see another example. In this case, all the elements are negative. So initially what we had done, sum was 0 and maximum sum was initialized with minus 2, correct? So we'll add first element is minus 2, so sum will be minus 2 and maximum sum is minus 2. Again add, as sum is less than 0, so change sum to 0 and again add minus 1, the next element. Okay, so it will become minus 1. So we can see maximum sum is minus 2, but our answer is minus 1, so we'll change minus 1 with 1. So we have stored minus 1. Again add, as minus 1 is less than 0, so sum become 0. So add next element. What is next element? 5 is the next element. So add minus 5, so sum will be minus 5, but if we see our answer is minus 1, which is greater than minus 5, so maximum sum will be minus 1 itself. Again if we see, it is minus 4, which is less than minus 1, so our final answer will be minus 1. This is our final answer. Now we'll see the code. So this is a method, maximum sum sub-array, which accepts array, means its vector, which is containing elements, all the elements which have to find the maximum sum. And I have taken two variables, maximum sum and the sum. And if the size of the array is 0, then simply return 0, no need to calculate. And in the sum variable, sum, one by one I am adding all the elements, all the numbers, okay, and calculating the maximum sum among maximum sum and sum. So this is storing our answer, you can say, which is a maximum of maximum sum and sum. Whenever sum, our running sum, means current sum, is less than 0, simply replace 0, because in this case if we see minus 1, sum is minus 1 and maximum sum is also minus 1. When we add next element 1, so it will become 0. But if we are not replacing, so because minus 1 will not contribute in maximum sum, okay, so in this case, because the minus 1 will not contribute, so simply replace, change it to 0. So that is what I am doing here. And this condition is for when all the numbers are negative, like minus 5. So in this case, the highest number is minus 1, means here we are not adding any number, just simply have to find what is the biggest number. Okay, biggest number is minus 1, so that is what I am finding here, like maximum sum, either from maximum sum or the element any number, what is maximum, so that I am storing here. So in this case, simply if we see minus 4 and minus 1 and minus 5, so minus 1 is the maximum sum of any sub-array of maximum sum of only one element, so that I am finding here this, and finally return the maximum sum. So this is our answer. I think this is This is a very important question, and I think the solution should be clear. Thank you.